What's going on? We went and helped one of my buddies, did some surface support for him earlier. I might throw a couple of those videos in real quick. On the way back to the house, we're going to stop at the river off of Bible Camp Road. It goes down to the boat ramp on the Santa Fe up here. Figured I'd show y'all just how low the river is. Hey guys, sorry about the wind noise, but just going to do a quick video, show y'all what we're doing today. We're out here with Camron Mahaffey with Underworld Explorers.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a little bit of background of what we do for surface support.
Hold on, guys. Have you ever seen that scene from, what's that movie called with, oh, the funny guy, The Mask? Jim Carrey, where he's like out of the rhino butt, you know? Watch here. You ready, guys? Watch.
It's always a good time with these guys. But we're doing some surface support at a sinkhole right here, fairly close to High Springs. And I'll just kind of bring y'all through it and let y'all see what we're doing. Alright guys, got to run go grab one more thing. And he's getting suited up down there and getting ready to get in the water. And he's getting ready, just about to head down.
Oh yeah.
Yep, we got bubbles again. So that means he is on his way up. So stay tuned and we'll see what he found down there. Good dive?
Yeah. Yeah.
Stay kind of small or get bigger?
It got massive. It's big. It's really big down there. I only went down to like 90 feet, but it kept going down. And
anytime you're riding the dirt roads, you're always looking for deer or turkey. Man, you never know where they're going to be, so. One other interesting fact, if you've ever been on I-10 and went over the Santa Fe River, you've seen this spot. Right there's the interstate, and right here is the little boat ramp. So this is the boat ramp. We're going to walk down it. And normally, your boat's floating right here. And there's I-10. So I have put boats in here before and fished the river, so it's really interesting to actually be walking in this riverbed. It is so low that people have actually been driving down here and just having a good time, right? Guys, that's gonna be all for today. I just figured that I'd show y'all how low the river is up here, and a lot of y'all might not have ever seen this spot. It's a really cool place. So just downriver is actually where the Santa Fe goes underground. I'm trying to remember the name of the park. I'll put it right up here because I can't remember it right now. Alright, till the next time, we'll see y'all later.